Hello guys, me showing my DIYs today. Part 1. And like and subscribe. And if you hate, that's okay. But please recommend liking and subscribing. Here it is. First, my crossbow. It's a crossbow. Wait. Yeah. It's a little bit broken, but I'll fix it later because it got wet by my friend. And this is the bullet and this thing. I put this thing so it doesn't hurt when shotted. Yeah.
Paano nga ba umalito sa ganitong tagpo ang kanilang pamilya? Sa pag-iimbestiga ng mga otoridad na pag-alaman ng 3 araw nang hindi kumakain si Eno.
See? Put it there. Fix up the knife. This is a knife made by popsicle stick with nice color. And it's throwable, durable. Oh, okay. Next up, my shotgun. And this is the shotgun I made. Wait, let me take off the bullet. Yeah, look this. When reloading, you put the bullet here and lock it up and it will shoot. Yeah, still there 3. Now this next stop, we made assault rifle. I don't think this is an assault rifle, but it does look like it. This is the tail nut. The scope. It's kind of broken. But it's kind of cool a little bit. But there's the bullet. It's not actually a bullet. It's just a fake. So let me get this. This is the silencer. Yeah, silencer for assault rifle. Put it in here. Wait. Yeah, put it in here. No. Get the silencer. And the bullets here. It's like this. Get the bullet and put, there's already a bullet inside. Yeah, just put it there. So next up, my pistol. Looks a little bit big than the assault rifle. Just leave it. Like this. I know there's a bullet here. There's a bullet. Oh, here's the bullet. You put it. You put this inside of it. See, it's inside. Next up, the kunai knife I made. Yeah, made of paper. Yeah. This is a grenade. I made grenade. Here, I took off the pin. Here's the pin. Just kidding. Here's the nunchucks. It's easy to make. Hmm. Next, this karambit. Top, a trip mine from Call of Duty Mobile, or maybe other Call of Duty games. Yeah, it actually stands. See? It stands. Uh-oh. What's the other next? Oh, no. The another, because forgot. There, it's so long, so I cut it into two and just make two. Next, a butterfly knife made of cardboard. Hey, next up, this knife thing. Well, do it off and this. Yeah, hard to take off because I'm just using only one hand. Next up, oh, there's nothing. That's all. Okay, these are all the things. In other videos, I'll make a tutorial how to make this stuff. So, see ya.